Here's a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. AM/FM XM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, auto dimming rearview mirror, 4 12-volt power outlets, leather and metal look steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and dual zone climate control. Edmunds.com states, powerful, comfortable, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a prime choice for a full-size pickup. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.